If you are looking for a modern masterpiece, you have truly found it in the Silverthorne. This home from top to bottom is filled with unique characteristics. You're just gonna love it. Let's take a peek inside. Hey guys.
Welcome.
Nice to see you today.
Nice to see you too.
John and Nick Boyle. This is John and Nick with JNB Custom Homes. And thank you so much for agreeing to take us on a little tour of this really stunning home, the Silverthorne. Tell me a little bit about the inspiration.
No problem. So this was a build for a specific client, a collaboration of us, our team, the architect, the designer, and the homeowner to produce this product.
And this is a modern style, and they are very specific on what they wanted, right?
It is. Very simple modern style, California living. You'll see with all the clean lines in the house.
One of the things you notice just right away in this foyer is just this rise and this amazing light fixture. It's just so open.
You'll notice as we go through the house that there's details from all over the world. And here's the master bedroom.
I love these hardwood floors and how they just flow from the front to the back of the home.
And then the master bathroom here, again, very clean, bright. The master bath has wall-to-wall mirror above the vanity itself, and all the tile is from Italy. So the design of the master closet is from Italy also, and some of the features are the LED lighting that are all motion detected.
I mean, this is so cool. The lights come on when you walk in.
Yes.
John, tell me about how this bathroom connects the office with the bedroom. I haven't seen that before.
Well, it's your traditional Jack and Jill setup, but it works perfect because you have a bedroom on one end and then you have this office on the front end with all the bright windows.
It's almost like a dedicated hallway, all of its own.
Right, with the perks of having a sink and a bathroom. So here we're on the second floor. There's multiple things here to look at. You've got the mixologist bar, you've got the wide open fireplace, the stunning kitchen.
It is very stunning. So this is a total party pad. I mean, with the bar in the corner, and then you've got the kitchen over here, and the views, and the outdoor living space. What's missing?
There's not much missing on the, other than walls. You can see there are no walls on this floor. It's wide open space.
And talk to me about this spandrel window that you can't see from the inside, but it brings like continuity to the outside of the home.
That's correct. So that these two windows balance on the exterior of the home, we use spandrel glass so that there is a window on the other side of that wine refrigerator. That way from the outside it looks balanced on the house, but on the inside it functions, and then we were able to pull the transom window through the top.
Tell me about this really unique countertop, John.
So this is decked in. Decked in is a product from Spain. It's a man-made product. It's fireproof. The color of it is more uniform. So where we go from wall to countertop surface in larger spaces, you don't have big differences in color. So it allows us to do larger spaces and all be uniform color.
Since it's man-made, is it easier to clean and durable?
It's not porous at all, so that you can cook on it, you can clean it very easily. It's a perfect cooking surface. So you'll see in multiple areas of the house there's a product called shushugiban. It's a Japanese process of treating the wood. And in this scenario, it's a charred wood. They actually burn the wood to get the look. We use it around the fireplace, on the outdoor covered patio, and then it's also used on all the soffits and porches around the house.
Oh wow, look at this third floor. The pinnacle. This is like a whole separate apartment.
So some of the features on this floor are the handmade wallpaper that was installed as you come up the stairs, all shown off by the light, the rooftop deck. It's almost like an apartment up here. You have people come over, I don't know if they'll want to leave.
I want to know who the lucky person is that gets to sleep here. Like, is it a guest or is it a family member? So
it was designed so that when family does come into town, that they have a place to stay, and it's kind of their own floor.
Oh, it's so cool. And then it opens to this really functional rooftop with, is it AstroTurf?
It is AstroTurf, and then all the porcelain tile that is out there is from Italy. And the views are just incredible.
Wow guys, this is just a really stunning modern home. I have never seen anything quite so unique.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure taking you through the house today.
It was a treat. Tell me, if anyone wants more information about building with JNB Custom Homes, where can they find you?
So you can find us at jnbcustomhomes.com.
Easy enough. And if you'd like more information about Homearama, building with the Greater Cincinnati Home Builders Association, visit cincybuilders.com.